know there was somebody behind us somewhere in this direction-ish.
Oh, that was Crispy with a Car 98 kill.
And white boy, Ugger.
Crispy just going off.
Yeah, I'd love to kill Crispy.
That was a hard bone bite he just did there.
See? I see.
Where?
Here in front of me.
Oh shit.
See
I
a
looked
Crispy
over.
eater?
I looked over right as I saw his head pop. Had to get past that rock to be able to see him.
Do you need all that health stuff?
There's a guy right there.
Right there. Going to see.
He was going from right to left.
Behind us. This way. On this rock.
And I just got shot at.
Shit.
Hey, that ain't good, dude.
Hey.
Oh, that's a whole nother squad, dude. We need to get the fuck out of here if we can. Holy
that's
shit.
another squad.
Yeah, there's a whole nother fucking squad on us over there, dude.
We're fighting 3 people.
Yeah.
3 squads, rather.
I was gonna say, I wish
Stop
it was
shooting
just.
me, dickbag.
I wish it was just 3 people. It's like 6 people.
Can you get? Never mind.
Can't get you.
I've got health stuff and silencer. It sucks. What are the odds? I gotta find me something to eat. I'm starving to death. I'm withering away to nothing, guys. Can you believe it?
How does that not kill him?
Did you shoot him?
I killed one of those squads. I don't know where the other one went.
Be dead.
They could be. I really don't know. I'm just running now. I was very sneaky.
About that 3rd squad. I think it would have been okay.
We could have done something. Shot him in his backpack.
Backpack.
Oh, this guy's dead.
Honestly, it would be immensely cool if you could shoot people. Grenade and it blow up. Would make this game crazy.
Crazy.
See.
What? My gun, my fucking vector was set to single shot? Why would I ever do that? Is nobody coming here? Wow. Damn. It's just popping off all over. I'm gonna miss out. See, like, the sounds in this game, right? Like, I can judge distance from that. Did he see me seeing him? is the question. No. No, he did not. Alright, I'm gonna go back down here and finish looting these buildings. I just heard a lot of noise and I got excited. And I wanted to go fight. I'm gonna go DBS. Was that a bot? It's the question. It's a question we gotta ask ourselves nowadays. Crazy times out there, you know? Crazy times. Who's a bot? Who's not a bot? No way to know. Well, alright. Oh, I'm trying to pick up stuff and I don't even have a godforsaken backpack. Fuck. I don't really want to put it 2 times on a MP, but I'll fucking do it. You shooting at the car driving?
Yeah, I'm not really doing much. Just trying to scare them off.
Drive.
Okay,
Ow.
oh my god.
Was that a casino?
There was.
On the hole or on top?
Hole. Hole.
Wow, I can't believe that didn't hit. That might. Oh, they definitely scurried. Damn.
Okay, they moved deeper in.
I'm gonna do something. Might be stupid, but I'm gonna do it.
I think one's on him. He got him. The other one's in this corner.
I got a whole nother dude like just skulking around out here.
Should have hit him.
I'm hurting.
I'm coming. Can't believe I landed that shot.
This is another person. He's down there.
There you go.
He's down there still.
Can we just can we get out of here?
Yeah. Wait.
Let's look.
Wait. He's out that way.
Where's he at?
East. He's behind the...
Side? Oh, I see.
I'm running out of bullets, man. He's behind that car.
Crazy, huh? There you go. You got him.
Yeah, I hope he has 40 fucking 5.
And that's right there.
He's on that rock. He's on this rock.
Hi.
I hit him a couple times. Oh!
Nice.
Right over my foot, I think. Damn, if I'd have hit that, that would have been... Why do I keep switching guns? I'm not hitting anything.
Anyway. Let's see his friend peeking. There he was for a second.
Oh!
Somebody else got me.
Yep.
I'm okay. I'm okay. Behind me. Yep, right there.
So is the guy on the rock nearest us still alive?
He pushed back. The guys that shot me are 210.
It's a hit.
I'll try to help you.
Damn it! That dude just saved that guy's life, man. You wanna? Okay.
Yeah.
I could have clipped him again. I had him. I had that shit dialed in, and somebody fucking shoots me.
God. Good. I'm gonna take these shots. Loading.
There it is.
Alright, now I can rotate.
Can I get to them without dying is the question. So I need whatever the fuck they have. I need it. I'm not well. I'm not doing good, man.
I've got 2 more first aids. I can give you one real quick if you want to take cover on this rock.
Yeah, I think I can get to... Yeah.
Check this one.
I'm just gonna heal real quick because he's got a full med.
Oh yeah. First aids.
Oh shit. Trying to do the wiggle.
Alright.
Stop it! Ow! Damn it. Stop shooting me!
Okay.
We need to get
there's a
out of
cheap
here,
pad if
man.
you need it. Yeah, I'm going back to the car.
Did we not lose some tires there? Yeah, we did, dude.
Well, here's a motorcycle.
I'm going down here to this house to get cover.
I'll get the motorcycle. Just mostly worried about those guys that were
Damn!
behind us. They hit you again?
Yeah, they fucking did.
Oh. Oh. Group shot me, then another group shot me.
You think it's because they feel sorry for me?
Very well could be. They see you out there bobbing and weaving. Like, look at this loser. He watched a YouTube tutorial on how to not die.
Could shoot him literally any time I want to. Did
And
you
those guys that killed
happen
me
to
are still up on
hey?
that hill.
Where are they
Looks like they're
going?
moving into those nice. Looks like they're moving into those buildings.
Oh.
Turned into that. That would have been hilarious.
Oh! Wow, that thing is just... Oh my god! Damn.
Yeah.
Guess who found a truck?
Who?
Truck, yeah.
That's supposed to be a person?
It's me. Truck ya. I'll truck ya.
Count Truckula.
Here I come. Damn it, I hit the wrong button. I really made that as bad as I could.
No, dude.
Shots.
I'm halfway watching. I'm playing a game on my phone.
There they are. What? Oh my god, dude.
Dude, I'm getting fucked up. Hey, shoot him harder. That's the guy that killed me. Finish him. Damn.